Hello everyone, I am Mode Bhagyashree Bajirao. Subject Organizational Behavior. Report on IBM Company. IBM Content Navigate. IBM Content Manager Enterprise Edition. IBM Content Manager on Demand Response. IBM Content Navigator is a web client that provides you with a console for working with content from history of IBM International Business Machine is a multiple corporation specialized in computer technology and information technology consulting, headquartered in Armonk, New York. IBM founder International Business Machine Corporation, nicknamed Big Blue, in an American multinational technology company headquartered in Armonk, New York. IBM company in detail 1880s and 1924. The origin of IBM. Main article. Year gross income 1946 to 1959. Leadership style. The IBM Transformation Leadership Framework customize the leadership development process for potential and exist leadership. The dynamic and fluid process develop manager and executive who are agile and collaborative and ready to lead into the future. Most operating systems suitable as serve platform offer a variety of technology to the serve author. For example, such a operating system might offer one or more set of communication interface. Dynamic and group behavior. Team dynamic in organizational behavior is the study of how group interaction and behavior affect the organization and its members. Dynamic and group behavior. Team dynamic in organizational behavior is the study of how group interaction and behavior affect the organization and its members. Problem created by such a system is they face the technology assimilation, assessment, development, and integration responsibility in onto the serve author. How team member communicate with each other. Decision making. How the team makes decision. Conflict resolution. How the team resolution conflict. Role and responsibility. How the team role and responsibility are defined. Cohesion. How well the team is satisfied and engaged. Some way to improve team dynamic include provide feedback. Regular feedback help team member improve their skill. Recognizing achievement. Recognizing books morale and reinforces positive behavior. Clearly define tasks. Clearly define each member task in front of entire group. Building a cohesive group. In, encourage strong relation bond between group members. Organizational culture. IBM is known to operate with what is known as a product type division organizational structure. In the type of structure, the business process involved in managing a development, product distribution, and sale product are heavy responses. Communication pattern. Personal communication is a full function emulation in addition to hot terminal emulation. It provides say useful features: file transfer, dynamic configuration, decision making process. Personal communication is the full function emulation. Conflict management. Conflict handling mode. You create the 5 major combination possible in a conflict situation. Competing is a assertive and uncooperative. Collaborating is both assertive or cooperative. Avoiding is the unassertive and uncooperative. Accommodating is unassertive and cooperative. Management. IBM is known to operate with what is known as product type division, organizational diversity and inclusion. In the workplace, diversity means you staff consist of individuals who bring new perspective and background to the table. Conclusion: this event collectively reflected IBM prominent role in the evolution of computing technology. It commitment to in, innovation and its pioneering contribution to various aspects of a emerging computer industry during the date 1940 and 1950. Reference data set provide logical grouping of code value such as product code and country code. These code are typically set of a low value that are associated with data field and can be assigned to business term.